Okuntu kw'amakuru go kwihaho Omusinga Mumbere emanja zoona na n'abakuumi be gayacirwa mu district ya Kasese. Abantu obwe bino kwesima okwekika kyahiguru bayishika streets zitari zimwe na zimwe okwesimira amakuraga ihangwe ry'eriizooba.
Thank our president for the decision that has been taken to release our king Musinga wa Businga wa Rwenzururu and those who were already in jail concerning the same case that had made the Musinga be held in jail for all this long time. I am thanking the president.
We are so grateful to hear good news that our king has been released. His charges has been dropped. In fact, us as the Bakonjo, Kasese municipality, in the entire district.
We as the people of Kasese, especially Central Division, we are very happy with the decision, the resolution of court, when they have resolved that the king, the charges are dropped, all the charges of the king are dropped. And as the Central Division, the community is very excited.
The mood in Kasese is jubilation. Jubilation, jubilation, jubilation is what I see here. And I am glad that the people are not asking questions how, why. All they are concerned with is the freedom of our people and our king. That is what is paramount right now in Kasese. All streets of Kasese are full of dances and jubilation.
His Majesty Charles Wizire Mumbere Iremangoma Oryo Musinga wa Rwenzururu akakwatwa habiro 27 by'okwezi kwa 11 omwaka gw'2016 oba habaho kurwanagana hagati y'abe byo kwerinda hamwe na n'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu aho abantu bari kurenga omuriga n'abaferirwa amagara gabo ekyarugirireho Omusinga kukwatwa okusirizoba.